A logo, National Park Service. Text appears, Night Sky Academy.
The Night Sky Academy is, I think, valuable for tons of reasons. But the biggest and most important is that astronomy is an important part of what national parks are all about these days. They're some of the darkest places we have, and the Night Sky Academy is aimed at arming our interpreters and our park staff with the tools that they need to talk about night skies and to help visitors interact and enjoy the night skies. And so we teach people how to use telescopes. We teach people how to understand and think about the night sky. We aimed at giving people experience communicating about distances and objects that they might see through those telescopes, and aimed at basically arming these people with everything they need to start a program in their park, including a telescope. My name is Lee Rademacher, and I'm a district interpreter in Grand Teton National Park, and I am a trainer for the Night Sky Academy, and we're here in Glacier National Park at the St. Mary Visitor Center to help teach and train a class of 20 or so interpreters from across the country about the night sky.
My name is Matthew Lamar, and I am a park ranger at Death Valley National Park. The night sky just is so big. You've got our solar system, and then you've got the galaxies, and then you've got the entire universe. And so I think it can be really intimidating for people to come at if they've never studied it before. And so this Night Sky Academy is an opportunity for people to learn the basics in a very open and friendly environment, surrounded by people who've had experience talking about the cosmos and what lies above our heads. And the reason I think it's so important is because what we're seeing is people are interested in the night sky. When things like the James Webb Space Telescope happen, or even Hubble images get released, there's excitement all over. And all national parks are seeing visitors coming to their parks, particularly if you're a dark sky park, to experience that. And so this gets parks that have never had a program before the opportunity to create their own program, which then they can share with the public and help to generate more interest in the night sky and what it has to offer.
My name is Kayleen. I'm an interpretive park guide at Chiricahua National Monument in Arizona. What I really liked about the training is that it was formulated for people who aren't astronomers. I did learn some of the basic tools, how to operate a really neat telescope, how to find constellations, how to use a planisphere. They demonstrated how to do a constellation walkthrough, which was really valuable. So it kind of gave me just the beginning working knowledge of getting into this and showing me that you don't have to be an expert on this field to give an effective demonstration.
Hi, my name is Ashley Ruth, and I work as a Visitor Experience Product Development Officer in Waterton Lakes National Park, so that's with Parks Canada. And together with Glacier, I work for the Waterton Glacier International Peace Parks. This night sky training has provided an amazing experience to learn about and use different types of telescopes, so from Cassegrain to Newtonians on Dobson mounts. And one of the most interesting things that we've learned that we want to figure out how to implement is also electronic assisted telescopes, with them being much more accessible to a wider audience. Through this training, we've actually expanded our network to meet other individuals from national parks across the United States. So it's been a wonderful opportunity to expand the network and meet more people that we can continue to connect with so that we can develop the most amazing experiences possible for our visitors.
Howdy, my name is Rhodes Smart. I am a seasonal park ranger at Canyonlands National Park, Island in the Sky District. So after this training, we're hoping to really expand at Canyonlands and move more into having more accessible astronomy programs that everyone can enjoy, even if they can't make it to the park, and doing more outreach, especially in education and with younger audiences, as well as just expanding our astronomy programs to everyone in the community. We've met tons of wonderful people throughout this entire few days that we've been here. People who are very, very intelligent, from the volunteers here at Glacier National Park to other people in the Park Service like Matt and Lee, who have been kind of leading it the past few days here, as well as just other people who are trying to get their parks started in night sky programs and astronomy. And it's really inspiring to see everyone celebrating a common goal that we can all work together for.
Hello, I'm Bobby Rochone, and I'm the Park Ranger Interpreter for Niobrara National Scenic River. We do not have a night sky program yet. We are working on building one though. I feel like I can actually train someone on how to use a telescope, especially like the Celestrons, and get them up and running on how to do a star program. And I'm really looking forward to building this program with our interns and our seasonal rangers and a few of our other permanent staff as well. So I think it's very important to do astronomy programs and night sky programs because we often forget just how beautiful the night sky is, but we also forget how animals that are nocturnal depend on night if we need dark spaces in order for them to thrive and survive. We need to preserve these last spaces so that they're not gone forever.
I'm Jessica Pope, and I am the Interpretation, Education, and Community Engagement Division Manager at Oregon Pipe Cactus National Monument. We need to be doing astronomy programs because the night sky is such an incredible resource and so few people have any experience with it. Throughout all millennia, we know that human beings have tied ourselves to the night sky. We place our stories there to remind us who we are. You find your place in the universe when you stare up into the night sky, and you find connections with people that have been here long before you. It's a precious, precious resource, and we're losing it. And so by using our national parks to bring that connection to the dark sky back to our visitors, to allow them to feel those ancient feelings of connections to the universe, will hopefully lead to further protection of this precious resource.
Night Sky Academy is out of this world!
National Park Service, Night Sky Academy. Produced by Kristen Venduska. Filmed by Melissa Sladek and Kristen Venduska.